Effective documents such as SOPs are critical for life science companies. However, studies show that over 70% of documents are written by employees whose skills and responsibilities don't include writing. This results in a large number of documents scattered all over your organization in a myriad of writing styles. Let's face it, many are unorganized, inadequate, poorly maintained, and contain inconsistencies and mistakes. All this leads to errors, higher operational costs, non-compliance, and regulatory and corporate liabilities. Information mapping is a new way of easily organizing SOPs, submission and regulatory documents, essays, toxicological reports, batch records, and many more. By breaking up information into digestible chunks, you can organize information in a structured, readable, consistent, and accurate way. Moreover, by saving these chunks of information in one place, you can consistently reuse, access, and share up-to-date content within and across departments. What's more, information mapping allows you to convert documents into secured online versions you can access at all times on a PC or any mobile device. And it only gets better. You can automatically turn documents into QR codes and web links that can easily be shared within your company. Proven results include 70% less time needed to create and review documents, 50% less reading time, and 90% fewer questions about the content. And we haven't yet mentioned the benefits for your organization. Reducing corporate risks, avoiding human error, lower operations and maintenance costs, increased compliance, and faster regulatory submissions. The days of poorly written documents are over. Start your process and content improvement today. Visit informationmapping.com.